Hi, boys and girls. Have you ever wondered how to make hand shadow puppets? These are some examples of shadow puppets. I wonder how this one's made. Kind of reminds me of a bird. Well, today we're going to read a text called Shadow Puppets, and it's going to teach us how to make some shadow puppets. When a text teaches us how to do something, like make shadow puppets, it's called procedural writing. What's it called again? Procedural writing. Let's learn about how to make shadow puppets. Okay, now I want you to follow along as I read it. Shadow puppets. Make shadow puppets using your hands and that's a big word. Let me break it up. Light bulb, or flashlight. That's another long word. Flashlight. I think I need to go back and read from the beginning. Let's start over again. Make shadow puppets using just your hands and a light bulb or flashlight. Sit about 3 feet away from a wall with a light next to you. Put your hands in front of the light. To make a rabbit, close your hands to form its head. Then point 2 fingers up to create ears. Can you help me sound this word out? Wiggle. Wiggle your fingers to make the ears move. Your hands can also become a bird. Cross your hands at the wrists. Cross your hands at the wrist with your thumbs touching. Hold your fingers straight out and together to form wings. Move your fingers and the wings flap. Put a shadow play and listen to your friends go, "Whoa!" In the beginning of the story, we had to read 2 long words. Light bulb or flashlight. These long words are called compound words. Let me teach you a little bit more about compound words. Compound words are 2 little words that come together to make a big new word. Like rain and coat make raincoat. Pan and cake make pancake. Ear and ring make earring. Snow and man make snowman. Cat and fish make catfish. So a compound word is 2 little words that come together to make a big new word. In this procedural writing, we learned how to make a hand puppet for a rabbit or a bunny and a hand puppet for a bird. And then at the end it says, put a shadow play and listen to your friends go. Wouldn't it be fun to do that? You can do that with a bunny and a bird, or you can try to come up with your own 2 animals. I would love to see what you can come up with. Till next time.